Good day to you, wellness companions. This is AJ Webb, your SLV Health Wellness Coordinator, and I am making this video to talk to you about portals, specifically portals that you can use to access your biometric data and most of your health data in general if you're being seen at SLV Health, either in the clinic setting or at the hospital. So the two portals that I'm going to talk about are the clinic portal and the hospital patient portal. So where you're going to want to start is the San Luis Valley Health homepage. From this page, you can get to this patient portal section right here, and then when you follow this link, you are able to visit the clinic patient portal, or you're able to visit the hospital patient portal. Now, if you're like myself and your primary care provider works out of the clinic like Dr. Walker does, the patient portal is going to be pretty handy. It's going to be pretty easy for you to use once you get yourself set up. You will need to have someone set you up, and if you need to get set up in the clinic patient portal, you can give one of these numbers a call, and or you can ask many of the the front desk folks, the admin folks, to get you set up, and they'll load you up with an account, and then that way you can send messages to your provider. Lots of fun things, and I'll just give you a quick showsies as far as what that looks like. This is where it takes you to once you log in, and then once you're in here, you have all of these different things right here, and I believe under labs and lab results, you can see your latest biometrics. Okay, so that's if your primary care provider is in the SLV Health clinics, and if they if they're in town too, that's one of the things they have to take a look at it before they send it out. So that's how you access your results if your primary care provider is in the SLV Health clinic setting, and you're all set up with that portal. If we go back to sanluisvalleyhealth.org, we get ourselves back to the patient portal section. Now, even if you have a clinic patient portal, your information regarding blood draws, since the draws are sent over to the lab at the regional medical center at the hospital, you can set yourself up with a hospital patient portal. So if you don't have your primary care provider in the SLV Health clinic setting, I would encourage you to set this up so you can get registered. You register yourself as a patient. They'll ask you to make an account, and then you'll be able to access your information. One thing that you will have to do once we get signed in here is you're going to have to select San Luis Valley Health as a provider. So make sure that you get yourself over to this provider section, add a provider, stick the San Luis, stick our area code in there, 81101, and then you'll be able to add them as we'll add us as a provider, and you'll be able to access your records under this health records section right here. So those are the two portals. It can be a little bit confusing, and I understand that. However, these are the two different tools that the hospital and the clinic use in order for folks like myself as a patient to be able to access our information, talk to our providers if needed, and both handy to have, and also be able to show others. Showing these portals to my wife so that we could look at the information from when we visited the emergency room with our 1.5-year-old, and take a look at those things have become very handy. I think it's good for us as SLV Health employees to know and understand and be able to use these things to a fair degree, so that we can help the other folks that might want access to this information, and we can help everybody out. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. Have a super day.